I still remember the moment it all changed for me. I was at a dinner party, not too extravagant, just a gathering of old friends, candlelight, soft jazz in the background. I walked in wearing a simple cream-colored blouse tucked into high-waisted trousers, a pair of pearl earrings, and low-heeled nude pumps. Nothing designer, nothing flashy. But as I moved through the room, I noticed something. Heads turned, conversations paused, compliments flowed, not about the clothes but about how elegant I looked. And that's when I realized, looking expensive has nothing to do with wearing the most expensive thing. It's about knowing what to wear, how to wear it, and why it works. So if you've ever looked in the mirror and wondered how to elevate your look, effortlessly and gracefully, especially in your 50s and beyond, you're exactly where you need to be. Today, I'm sharing 8 genius wardrobe staples that make women over 50 look expensive. Not trendy, not loud, just timeless, rich, and undeniably chic. Let's begin. The tailored blazer, power meets poise. There's something about a perfectly tailored blazer that whispers class louder than any logo ever could. When you're over 50, structure becomes your secret weapon. Our bodies evolve, and a well-cut blazer gives your silhouette the confidence it deserves. Look for strong shoulders, a cinched waist, and high-quality fabric. Think wool blends, cashmere, or thick linen. Pair it with jeans for a high-low look that says, "I'm effortless, but I know what I'm doing." Style tip neutrals, camel, navy, ivory, charcoal, are your best friend. They'll match everything and never go out of style. And if you're loving this so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join a community of women who believe elegance only deepens with age. Crisp white shirt, the silent status symbol. I used to think white shirts were too plain until I discovered the right one. A crisp, structured white shirt is the ultimate secret of looking expensive. It's clean, it's powerful, it's timeless. But not all white shirts are created equal. You want one with a luxurious feel, cotton poplin, stretch sateen, or even silk cotton blends, the kind that doesn't lose shape after one wash and frames your neckline like a work of art. Tuck it into high-waisted trousers or pair it with a pleated skirt, add a gold necklace or a statement belt, and you're done. Effortless, chic, grown woman gorgeous. Pro tip: keep your whites truly white. A little fabric care goes a long way in keeping your wardrobe looking luxe. If you are enjoying this video so far, I want you to do something for me. Like this video and also share it. You know why this is important? It will help us reach more amazing women like you. Also, let us know your favorite tips or something I must have missed out. Great, let's move on. High-quality dark denim, age-defying and chic. Let's talk about jeans, shall we? Because no matter your age, great denim is always in style. But here's the difference. When you're 50 and fabulous, your denim should rise to meet your elegance. Look for dark wash, straight leg, or bootcut jeans with minimal distressing. No rips, no fading, no frills. Just clean, streamlined sophistication. Why dark denim? It elongates the legs, slims the figure, and pairs beautifully with everything from a silk blouse to a chunky knit. Plus, when tailored right, it hugs in all the right places and smooths where you want it to. Bonus elegance tip: always fit your jeans at the waist, then tailor the hem. Cropped or dragging denim instantly cheapens the look. Silk blouse, feminine luxury in a fabric. Silk is magic. There's just no other way to describe it. It drapes like a dream, feels soft on the skin, and moves with you, not against you. A silk blouse, whether in classic ivory, blush pink, or even deep jewel tones, brings effortless grace to any outfit. It's the piece you wear on days when you want to feel powerful and feminine. Days when you have a boardroom meeting at noon and a wine date with friends at 6. Silk transitions with you and always looks polished. Look out for French seams, hidden buttons, and a slight sheen, not too shiny, not too matte. Midi skirt movement, modesty, and sophistication. I'll let you in on a secret. If there's one piece that makes me feel instantly elegant, it's a midi skirt. The way it flutters just below the knee, the way it elongates the body, the way it flatters every shape. For women over 50, midi skirts offer that perfect balance between coverage and style. Opt for flowy silk or structured pleats in deep neutrals or classic prints like houndstooth or subtle florals. Pair with ballet flats, pointed mules, or even sleek ankle boots depending on the season. The midi skirt is more than a trend. It's a lifetime staple. And it always gives expensive energy, even when it's simple. Let's talk shoes, the foundation of every polished outfit. A pair of nude or taupe low-heeled pumps is the kind of shoe you'll find in every rich woman's closet. Why? Because they go with everything and instantly elongate the legs, especially when you match the tone to your skin. Whether you're wearing a pencil skirt, tailored trousers, or even dark jeans, nude heels keep things refined and intentional. The key is quality. Look for soft leather, a comfortable insole, and a heel that you can walk in gracefully. Remember, nothing ages us faster than a shoe we can't walk in. Bonus style cue: pointed toe pumps tend to look more elegant than round toe ones. A small detail, but that's where style lives. Winter may not always be our favorite season, but fashion-wise, it's an opportunity to make an entrance. And nothing says I've arrived quite like a statement coat, whether it's a long camel wrap coat, a structured trench with gold hardware, or a rich wool cape. This is your outerwear moment. It's the piece people will see first and remember last. Choose a coat with clean lines, elevated textures, and thoughtful tailoring. A great coat doesn't just keep you warm. It tells the world who you are before you even say a word. And if you've been enjoying this wardrobe journey, now's a perfect moment to tap the like button and let YouTube know this kind of content deserves to be seen. Structured handbag, the quiet luxury accessory. If clothing is the symphony, your bag is the final note, the one that lingers. A structured handbag instantly makes you look wealthier. Why? Because slouchy floppy bags tend to look tired and worn, while structured bags stand tall. They say, I'm put together, I value quality, and I invest in myself. You don't need a Birkin, you don't even need a big brand name. What you need is good material, real leather or sturdy vegan alternatives, clean hardware and neutral tones like black, camel, or taupe, and the bonus? A quality bag lasts for years. It ages with you. It carries your story, gracefully. Here's what I want you to remember. Expensive isn't a number. It's a feeling. It's a mindset. And for women over 50, that mindset is a beautiful blend of wisdom, refinement, and self-assurance. You've lived, you've learned, and now you deserve to show up in the world looking as elevated as you feel inside. With just a few smart wardrobe staples, pieces that love your body, that last, and that tell your story, you can create a look that's not just polished, but powerful. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below to share your favorite wardrobe staple, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And if you're ready to dive even deeper into the art of timeless, elegant style, check out our free guide. A guide to timeless, elegant style. It's linked below and filled with actionable tips to help you look and feel stunning at any age. Until next time, keep dressing like the masterpiece you are.